Hey everyone, it is the end of the week. It was a little chaotic throughout the work week here, so I'm going to go ahead and get my desk straightened up. It is definitely time to get this organized because I can't even function. I'm going to start by getting all my pens and putting them here, putting them back where they belong, and then clearing off all the paperwork. Kind of just putting that back together. I did get a new desk lamp. This one that I have here is broken, so I do need to actually replace that. Let me gather all my personal papers here. This is all work stuff that I gotta file and put away. And then my picture I took with my niece, I am probably going to hang that. So I will put that with these and hang that later. And let's see, so my journal can go here. And as well as this Sudoku. And here's some stuff from my son's graduation I will put away later, so I'll put in that pile. And then this stays here. This wipes down my computer. Thumb drive can just kind of go back there. These are all my lip balms and different stuff when I'm sitting here and I need to get to. I just leave that there. This can go in the kitchen, so I'll set that to the side. My water needs to be filled in the kitchen, so I'll put that with that. And then I had just put this up, so I like to save the boxes in case I need to do like a return in the next few months. It's easier to have the box. You don't necessarily need it, but it makes it a little bit easier. Work phone, I'm going to go ahead and put away here in my work bag. And this is a really cool work bag that I got. I wanted to kind of bring some color into my life. My glasses I'm going to need later, so I'm going to go ahead and just put those there. I like to have this little thing for stuff that rolls around, and I like to kind of place it there, so I might keep using that, I might not, and then I just keep this little dust rag to wipe my desk down, so I'll do that at the end. Old coupons I need to go ahead and throw away. I'll just toss these into the trash can. Let's see. I think that's it. Everything else stays here. My daily gratitude that I read. And I'm just going to do a quick wipe down and then I will sweep at the end. Actually, no, I vacuumed. I'll vacuum later. I actually need to vacuum again. So yeah, but yeah, just a quick cleanup, and then I'm gonna set up my desk lamp. Gonna clean up these cords a little bit. This is for when I need to charge my phone, my work phone. So I'm gonna put that with my other charging thingies here. And then I'm going to vacuum up my keyboard really quickly. I got this really cool like desktop vacuum, and it really works pretty good, so I'm gonna do that. This I can actually get rid of. I do not use this anymore. It will not stay charged. I might end up having to go to the Apple store and get the battery replaced. They said it's like $80. I noticed some spots here, so I grabbed the Lysol wipes to get this to wipe down. Okay, then I'll grab one more and wipe down the keyboard. We all know how the keyboards can get kind of gross. So let's kill all the little germs. I kind of just keep this on hand if I see anything else along the way. But I'm going to go ahead and move my little phone holder and clip holder that I use here and get to this desk lamp really quickly. These are my remotes. This is for my walking pad underneath my desk. I do have a walking pad. It's kind of off to the side right now, so. But this is a stand-up desk, which is pretty cool. Let me actually lift it up so I can get to this a little bit better. And should stop right there. Okay. And this is for, I haven't used this in a while, so I might just figure out where to put that next. A night lamp for reading, which I don't do very often. All right, so I'm gonna get this put to the side, and we are gonna open that desk lamp up and see how nice it is. I just bought it on Amazon. I actually shared the link. Hopefully you guys got it. It was on a really good deal. It probably still is. I'll leave it down below if you want to see if it's still at a good reasonable price. Oh wow, it's gonna require a little bit of assembly. Hopefully not too much. Comes with all these parts. Very good feel to it. Nice and sturdy. Doesn't feel cheap at all. So I just need to see how to put this together really quickly here. Alright, so I just need to follow the steps here. It just pretty much says prepare by pulling out everything. Then you pull down the wire, you rotate, complete, and you just make sure everything's locked in place. And then it goes on to the edge of your desk. So it's not going to take up any desk space at all, which is pretty cool. And that's it, and then you plug it in. So I'll do that really quickly. All right, I got it all prepared, and then I'm going to just cut this off so it's out of the way. Oh yeah, I love the feel. It's that nice like silicone feel to it. Not that I will need to fill it very much, I don't think. All right, so it just says pull the wires through. So we're going to pull. As you can see, it's pulling through at the top there. Okay, it's kind of hard to get a good view on it. Sorry about that. Okay, just twist it until it's locked in. Easy. And continue with the other bottom portion here. Let me see. Here's the cord. And then this one, okay, easy enough. And then this one goes right in here. Wow, it's pretty long. So that's pretty good for me, because if I need it to reach over, which it's actually intended to do that, it's supposed to like brighten up your whole desk area by hovering overhead of you. So that makes sense as to why it's so long. And I'll show you what I mean. And I'm just gonna hook up the power portion of this so I can get it ready. So once I clamp it on, I could just plug it in and get it going so I can get back to work. Not that I need my light right now, but I do want to test it out. Alright, so that goes right down in there. Gotta find the right direction. I think I might have had it. Oh yeah, I had it. Okay, just a little forcefulness is all you need. And now I'm going to clamp it on. I don't know if I could show you that part. I'm gonna try. If I can't, I'll have to edit that out because it's kind of hard to lean over and record at the same time. Alright, so just unscrew until you get the right amount of space. which this is not too thick, so I don't need to unfasten it too much. Oh, perfect. I think. Did I do it just right? Oh wow, I got it just right. So I'm going to tighten it and then turn it on. Here's how it looks like after it's all set up, and it did come with this little Velcro thing here that can help you tie the power button, so that's helpful, so you can set it up where you want it. And this is what the lighting looks like. It illuminates pretty well. I'm going to show you the different light settings here by hitting, and all you have to do for the power is just tap it just like that, and it changes color. So this is a lighter or dimmer color, off. Just has those few settings, so you don't have too many settings, but just enough. And yeah, I really like how it hovers up high over all of my stuff, and then you can adjust it, bring it down, move it around. You can even put it behind your monitor and let it come over your monitor. Now that I know it's that high, I can move it over this way. So yeah, lots of options on how you can set it up. But yeah, my desk is a little bit more organized. I still always feel like it's a lot of clutter, but I'm glad it's a lot cleaner than what it was. And now I can just tidy back up and get back to work. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.